Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have a ZTE BLADE A452 and I'll show you how to insert a SIM card and a micro SD card into this phone. First, switch off your device by holding the power key, choose power off, and tap OK to confirm. Wait until the phone is completely turned off. Find the cavity on the side and carefully pry off the back cover. The back cover is removable, and here you'll find both slots. Insert the SIM card in the correct direction. Then insert the micro SD card in the exact same way. Everything should be okay. Now put the back cover back on. Press. To check if everything works properly, press and hold the power key to turn the device on. As you can see, the phone is connected to the mobile network and reading the SIM card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under this video.